Do you want to share your screen during a WhatsApp call? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the screen sharing feature in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone, then open a chat with the person you want to call. Tap the video call icon in the top right corner to start a video call, and once the call is connected, tap on the three dots in the bottom left corner and then select Share Screen right here. A message will appear which says that everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded, but it's just a system alert. The screen will be shared with the other person and that's it. Finally, tap on Start Sharing and your screen will be shared with the other person now. You can now navigate through your phone, showing apps, pictures, documents, everything you want to share with the other person. Please be very careful with sensitive data. There's absolutely no reason to share such things in the internet. If you want to stop sharing your screen, simply go back, for example tapping on the WhatsApp icon or on the screen here in the top right corner. Then tap on Stop Sharing and that's it. Thanks for watching.